Hey everyone, welcome to day 2 of my high frequency GRE vocabulary series. If you are ready to boost your GRE vocabulary, you are absolutely in the right spot. Today we are diving into 3 keywords that will supercharge your GRE preparation. And those words are abscond, abstemious and admonish. I'll break down each word, explore its meaning, then show you how it's used in sentences, then apply all 3 words in a short passage that represents a real life scenario so that you will remember them deeply for life. So stick with me until the end to fully master these words. Ready to get started? Let's jump into our first word, and that is abscond. Abscond means to run away secretly. For instance, he tried to abscond but the police caught him. Or he absconded from the office after finishing his work early. Next word is abstemious. Abstemious means not drinking or eating too much, being moderate. For instance, his abstemious habits help him stay healthy, or they follow an abstemious diet to stay healthy. Last word is admonish. Admonish means to gently warn or advise someone for their behavior. For instance, the team leader admonished his team to meet the deadline, or the manager admonished his team members not to engage in unethical behavior. That's all for the words and their sentences. For the short passage, please visit the link in the description box where you can download it. And that's a wrap for today. We have covered 3 words: abscond, abstemious and admonish, exploring their meanings and their real life usage. I hope these words are now crystal clear to you and ready to use. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more GRE tips and ring the bell so you never miss any update. Anyway, stay blessed and stay tuned for next video.